This is a review for the wireless IP video intercom system, which is also an RFID intercom entry door system. Everything is nicely, neatly packed into this wonderful box. We have our intercom systems here. We have cables and mounting brackets at the back over here. Then we have our energy supplies just over here. Coming to the little packages, they come with additional cables and 2 fobs and screws and little sockets so you can put them in the wall. The additional plug, this one is in German size, so you have the German adapter and then you can use that. For the door entry, it is as follows. It comes in a metal casing, so it is protected against vandalism or any obstruction. It is IP68, so it is weatherproof and can withstand mostly any kind of harsh weather conditions. At the back, we have the connection parts, 3 infrared sensors on each side, giving us perfect night vision. We have a 960 pixel camera with a 110 degree angle of viewage. You can view it either over the monitors or over the app. You have a 4-in-1 unlocking mechanism. Either you use the code, you use the monitor, the app, or the fobs, or you can integrate a 125 gigahertz other NFC card with it. Followed, we have the tablets. This one is the master tablet, and then you have additional slaves that you can add onto it. On the side panels, you will see opening for the unlocking mechanism, gate, further intercom related aspects or telephone aspects, as you can speak from one monitor to another. Here it is swiping around. You can also use this monitor as a photo frame or upload additional music or other content to change the ringtone or whatsoever. Additional camera systems. Here you can see additional camera systems, tablets, videos, or even a TV for the output can be integrated at the back with a 4 cable. We can also enter an SD card on the slot on the side, which is not integrated. You would have to buy that separately. In addition, you would have to buy a power supply and an electric door if you want to upgrade to the RFID entry system. Furthermore, it is an easy mounting, so you only have to put the brackets, mount the intercom, and with one 4 cable which is supplied, or you can buy additional ones, you can connect it without any issues. The app is the Tuya Smart, which you can share with other people. The entire system works on a 2.4 gigahertz, so if you're using the 5, you might have some issues with that. Furthermore, it is an awesome device and it has perfect optimal camera usage and for a very reasonable price, so definitely recommendable for everyone.